Come with me to turn this disaster of a room that I have all the way into this gorgeous little get ready vlog film room. Yay!
Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty. Baby girl, you are so pretty, 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 pretty.
This video onto YouTube originally. I will also be posting it onto TikTok. So again, like I said in my other videos, if you're watching this on TikTok, you're gonna have to go from here to here. So you gotta flip your phone. Hello, you guys. So today I'm gonna be doing a brand new, I don't know what to call it. I'm hitting a blank. I am going to redo and organize my extra room, which is currently a storage room. I actually have my best friend Matt is gonna be coming to stay with me for 2 weeks in July. And I want to turn this room into, not this room, I'll show you the room. I want to turn it into a makeup room / podcast room, because I do have a green screen in there that is currently hanging up. Also want to make room to put a blow up bed in there for him, so he has a place to sleep. I'm gonna show you, it is a disaster right now. Currently in my storage room, I just threw everything in there that I don't really use. You know, my winter clothes are in there, my wigs, makeup. I'm supposed to be getting ready in that room, but I usually get ready in my bedroom because that's where my TV is. I need to get a TV for this room, so go. It is a freaking disaster in here. I haven't touched this room in over a year. That's a lie. I was in here the other day to make a video. This is absolutely disgusting. So in this video, I'm going to be cleaning out and reorganizing this whole area. That's what this video is going to be consisting of. That's what I am going to be doing in this video, so strap in, sit back, relax. My main goal first is to get as much stuff out of here as I can and organize it out in my living room, and then get the floor cleared because I need to clean all of the makeup stains. I don't know how I'm going to do that, but I'm going to do it as best possible, as best as I can, best as I possibly can. Okay. I'm stroking out. Okay. I'm not prepared for this. Okay, so first I'm going to let some light in the room by putting the blinds down. And I'm just going to remove all of this clutter out of the room and empty the whole room as much as I possibly can. And then as you'll see in the rest of the video, I will be organizing all that stuff. Now I gotta bring this big ass mirror out the way, and see that big stain on the carpet? Yeah, I gotta clean that. You're probably wondering why I'm using a rake indoors. Well, I don't have a vacuum. Well, I do. I have 2 of them, but they're both broken because my wig hair and the dog hair gets caught up in it. And last time I tried using that thing, it started to smell like fire. You guys are probably wondering why I'm using this big old rake on my freaking carpet. Like, hello? Well, my vacuum cleaner broke, so I have this. This actually kind of, it sweeps up like the hair and the dog fuzz, the little things that the vacuum could pick up. And I did that with my hands, and that's what I was doing. This is just a bunch of makeup stains that I need to clean up. So I'm gonna use this what do you call it? Cleaning vacuum thing. Carpet cleaner. Jesus, I can't talk. I got this stuff from the Dollar Tree because I'm cheap. It's just some foaming carpet cleaner, so let's see if this works. So I deadass used a whole can of this on just these spots. Thank God they're only $1.25. Okay, now I'm gonna try. I'm just trying my best to try to get this stain out, and I got it out pretty well, and you can tell that by the end. But that blue will not come out for the life of me. The black eyeshadow came out really well, but the blue is just sitting there, so I'm gonna have to try to clean it again at another time. Here I go using the vacuum again. Okay, so this is all clean right here. I'm thinking of putting this beauty thingy right there And then I'm gonna put these cushions along here. Okay, I gotta move this vanity right to the corner, and I should have cleaned it off right then and there, but I really didn't. Okay, so I'm gonna make these little drawers. I'm gonna go through these drawers. I'm gonna empty out all these. I have not gone through these drawers in forever, and so I'm just going to organize them by the top drawer is going to be a bunch of hair stuff, so like hair ties, bobby pins, and then the middle one is going to be my skin products, and I'm going to put the makeup that I don't really wear that much in the bottom drawer, like new eyelashes and unopened products that I'm going to use in the future. And in this green bucket, I'm just putting a whole bunch of my perfumes. I'm going to put in this little table and put in my hair products, including my hair tools and my brushes. And now I'm sorting out my palette boxes by highlight and color palettes. I'm just gonna clean up the rest of this shit off the freaking floor. And there's my vape just lying there waiting for me to hit it, but I'm not, because I am trying to be a responsible human adult. I don't know what that even means, but whatever. I'm trying to quit doing nicotine, but it'll happen eventually. Just don't rush me, or else I'm gonna want to smoke more. Gotta clean the rest. And okay, so this is a dirty table. It does not have drugs on it. It's just setting powder. I'm gonna put up my little bean bags, and then I'm gonna clean the rest of my room. I'm literally just putting everything in one bag and shoving it in my closet because I have nowhere else to put it, and I really do not feel like organizing it right now because it's not something that's important to me, and I'm never gonna freaking use it. And I'm also a hoarder, so I keep shit that I don't really need to keep. Oh, there's all my wigs. I really need to buy hooks to put my wigs on, and yeah, there we go. Ta-da! I just have to pick up the rest of the little itsy bitsy stuff, and that's it. Okay, I think I'm done. I am going to order some wig hangers so I can hang my wigs up on this wall. I am out of breath right now. But I got this. I still gotta clean off all this. I'm gonna clean this off in a second. But that is it. This is my Hannah Montana guitar. I have a story time to that if you want to hear. It's a little 6-year-old who's now probably like 26. She bought me that with her allowance money. I was babysitting her. And then the green screen. Okay. What do you think, Stormy? That's it. I gotta finish some laundry, wipe this table off, finish some laundry, and edit this video. And then get ready to go out tonight. I'm doing some karaoke. Okay. Bye!